Fashionistas by Heart was given a front row seat in a press con given by the Regal Matriarch in honor of yours truly, Heart Evangelista.
So it's nice, the experience is nice, malamig, but just the whole weather, the atmosphere, everything parang enigmado po. Parang it makes you appreciate pa lalo yung movie, tapos yung character na everything. So,
Leaving no stones unturned, the press hurled the most difficult and the most outrageous of questions towards
real life daw ba yung yung parang real life daw ba yung lumabas kaya kanina rebellious daughter?
Siyempre, sa pagdaan ko na rebellious daughter ako, and just like Stephanie, meron din siyang mga reasons, but then again, no matter what it is, they're your family, and you will also hindi nila ginagawa yung respeto sila dahil mahal ka nila.
From the barrage of probing questions, courtesy of fellow star John Manalo, who unwittingly revealed,
Explain mo dyan, bakit close na kayo even before nagkasama kayo dito?
Kasi po, ganito po yan. Dati po, tuwing magpapasko po kami, kasama namin siya. Kasi, tito ko po si Jerry Gonzalez po, kapatid po ni Mama. Siyempre, Diyos. Opo.
But it was mostly smooth sailing for me, as I divulged that my latest movie would be a delight to fashion lovers. I was more into dresses, a lot of floral because that's pretty in now. But my character is very corporate, so I made sure that she was still very stylish but yet sweet and strong looking. Talking about fashion, I charmed the press with my bright smile, highlighted by my favorite pink lipstick and a confidence of a true fashionista. We decided to just wear a long dress para just comfortable, you can walk in it, hindi masyadong tight, very loose, very laid back. And my hair, I put 2 hairpins on it. Actually, ako gumawa niya. I just made it buhol-buhol. Anyway, that whole gulo-gulo look, effortless is in, and we just put a headband. Of course, this beautiful accessory didn't escape the press's prying eyes. My favorite ring, which is, I love, it's my favorite nowadays, it's called the Larimar ring. It's a stone, and we were in this stone store that the stones attract, you get attracted to a certain stone that you feel, and this stone is actually for me to find my soulmate, and to, parang, lahat ng mga past hurts of a heartache would disappear. And this is the stone I found, and I found out the meaning. Sana makapanood kayo ng Mana po, this December 25. You'll learn a lot from this, aside from in the fashion part, in the fashion department, also with your personal life. So I hope you guys like it. Love you so much, and see you every Thursday.